Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help you with C2Cl4 Lewis structure. It is a chemical formula for tetrachloroethene, and to determine its Lewis structure we will first look at the total number of valence electrons. So here we have two carbon atoms, both of them have 4 valence electrons in its outer shell, and we have 4 chlorine atoms, and each chlorine atom has 7 valence electrons in its outer shell. So in total we have 36 valence electrons for this molecule. We will place both carbon atoms next to each other, and we will place 2 chlorine atoms besides this carbon atom and 2 besides this one. So this is the arrangement of atoms in the this is the arrangement of atoms for C2Cl4 molecule. Once you have done that, you can start placing the electron pairs to show bonds. So I am going to place a pair of electrons between carbon and carbon atom first, and then I'll do the same for carbon and chlorine atoms. So doing that, we have used up 5 electron pairs, which means we have used up 10 electrons out of 36, and now we are left with 26 valence electrons more. If you look here closely, each chlorine atom needs 6 valence electrons to have a complete octet. So we will first place 6 valence electrons around each chlorine atom. So 6 around this one, 6 around this one, 6 for this chlorine atom, and the 6 for this chlorine atom. Doing that, we will be using up 24 out of 26 valence electrons, and the remaining 2 valence electrons you can place on this carbon atom because it already has 6 valence electrons, and adding this pair will help to complete its octet. But while you are doing that, you will notice that this carbon atom also has only 6 valence electrons in its outer shell, and to help this carbon atom have a complete octet, we can actually shift a pair of electrons from this carbon atom in between these two carbon atoms. So doing that will result in a formation of double bond between this carbon atom, and now this is the Lewis structure of tetrachloroethene, in which carbon atoms form double bonds with each other to have complete octets and forms single bonds with 2 chlorine atoms at a time. I hope this video helps you to understand the C2Cl4 Lewis structure, and for more such videos on Lewis structures, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.